Wow. Another cattle grate. That's 4, so that's... We should be out of free roam. Whoa, whoa. Are those, yeah. The word is blanking me. It's in your mouth. You're screaming it in your helmet. Thistle, hatched, thatched. Thatched roof. I like the stone marker. Cemetery that way. Hung ladder. Hey, that was my nickname in college. I gotta close the visor all the way. Jeez. Yeah, I would say that's about a 40-mile-per-hour gust or more right there. Getting tossed around like a... Whoa! We might be side saddling this, buddy. This is getting squirrely. Hey kids, you like video games? Try riding a motorcycle where there's sheep inches from the road, the wind is trying to push you off the road, and there's lorries coming from the other direction. Oh! Cattle grid. So maybe my counting was wrong. Or there's just lots of grids, I don't know. Oh! I just had my helmet lift up. Oh! You gotta anchor yourself when you go near these cliffs. Is there like cables in the ground? Kill Baxter. Wow, the exposure on this part of the island's nuts. This guy on his quad. He didn't even want to get his hand out of his pocket. It's too cold. Little road works. At least these boys are out of the wind right here. The only 4 trees on this side of the island, and they get to work next to it. But yeah, I'll take that job. Piss? 1 or 2? Can you see my water straw? That it? Ah, shit. Great video there. We're watching construction. You've got to piss like a racehorse. And I'm slurping on a straw.
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.